Nature and scope of economics. The subject of economics can be defined from a number of different perspectives. Economics is the study of the allocations of resources, the choices that are made by economic agents. The central economic problem is that of scarcity. Nature of economics, science, and arts. Science is an positive science, normative science. Scope of economics, microeconomics and macroeconomics. नेचर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स हम देखेंगे. नेचर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स refers to whether economics is a science or art or both, and if it is positive science or normative science or both. Scope of economics, microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics, the branch of economics that examines the functioning of individual industries and individual firms and households. Macroeconomics, the branch of economics that examines the economic behavior of aggregates. Example, national income, output, employment. Subject matter of economics. Economics is a science or as an arts. Economics as a positive or normative science. Economics as a social science. Subject matter of economics. First is traditional approach, second is modern approach. Traditional approach. Economics is studied under five major divisions. First is consumption, production, exchange, distribution, and public finance. Modern approach. Study of economics is divided into two parts. First is microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics analyze the economic behavior of any particular decision making unit such as a household or firm. Studies the flow of economic resources or factor of production from the household or resources owners to business firms. Branches of economics. Economics is usually divided into two branches, microeconomics and macroeconomics. फर्स्ट हम देखते हैं मीनिंग ऑफ माइक्रोइकोनॉमिक्स. माइक्रोइकोनॉमिक्स इज द स्टडी ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स, हाउसहोल्ड्स एंड फर्म्स behavior is in decision making and allocation of resources. It generally applies to markets of goods and services and deals with individuals and economic issues. Macroeconomics. Macroeconomics considers the economy as a whole, the quantity of goods and services produced by all business and the government sector. Macroeconomics all studies relationships between one country and another.